started? Okay, so, hello, this is Jack, and today I'm comparing and contrasting the polar bear, which is right here if you want a good image of it, and the blue whale, which is right here. So, can you guess where the polar bear lives? If you guessed up here in the... If you guessed up here in the Arctic, you are correct. They live up at the top of the world. And at the bottom, can you guess where the blue whale is? If you guessed the bottom of the world, which is technically called the Antarctic, you are 100% correct. So, the polar bear lives on land because its favorite meal is on land as well. Their favorite meal is this little fella. I know you don't think he seems harmful, but he's pretty harmful. And the blue whale lives in the water, which you probably know that. And they live in the water because their favorite meal is there, which is krill. Okay, let's imagine this. They are twice the size of my own house. And can you imagine, like, they eat one in the top 5 smallest animals in the world. They choose krill. They could have chose like a shark or something, but I mean that's crazy, isn't it? Okay. There are 20,000 polar bears in the whole world. I mean that's crazy. And there are only 12,000 of the blue whales. Isn't that crazy? So they're the largest animals, but somehow they're pretty endangered. We do not want them to die because they're the oldest like entire things on this whole planet, even larger than the biggest dinosaur. And the polar bear lives 15 years. You would think they live 20 or more, right? It turns out they only live 15. And the blue whale lives 90 years. That's about as old as my old granny. Okay, so hold on, 1 second. The blue whale's threat is us. Because basically what we do is they don't use lightsabers. They don't use my lightsaber. What they do is they go down there with spears and they stab them. I know it seems pretty violent, so I'll get that out of the way. So, and the polar bear's threat is pretty much the weather change, which means the weather gets warmer and warmer, which means the ice melts, and which that means they have nowhere to live. Okay, so the blue whale weighs 353 polar bears. I mean, is that crazy? Like, I don't know how they were able to do that. Did they get like a giant scale and put a blue whale on there and 53 polar bears on the other side so they can balance it out? And that pretty much wraps it up. So I'd like to thank you all. If you liked the video, please subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye, class. Oh, I think I'm going to faint.